Hi, I'm Cade, and we are making pizza smashed potatoes. So first, garlic salt, pepper, that's just pepper. Olive oil spray, because spray is better than the squirting olive oil. Pizza sauce for the pizza. Potatoes, all the baby potatoes. Mozzarella. Some pepperoni. Backflip. Look how well I wait. Okay, let's do this. Cut your potatoes in crisscross. Halfway.
I love you.
Okay. You need help. No, I don't. Now we put the paper on and smash. Ready? Then repeat. Oh, wait, no. This is gonna be awesome. Smash. This is. Oh.
It actually worked.
Yeah. So smash the potatoes. That's a pancake. All done. Now we put the olive oil on. The spray is best. Hit the button. Now for the seasonings. Bum, 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 bum. Do the chef thing. I'm sorry. Go like this. Pepper. It's funny. That again is some black pepper. Black pepper is real pepper.
Go.
Now we air fry. Now we put the pizza sauce on, and after we put the mozzarella. Okay.
Okay.
Brushy, brushy, brush. Brushy, brushy, brush. Brushy, brush. I like your brushy, brushy, brush. So nice pizza sauce. Okay, now I'm gonna get a spoon, so that's easier. Spoony boom. Now time for the mozzarella. Sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. Mom, they got us this.
They're on it. Oh shoot, yeah, we want that.
Now I'm gonna put some dairy-free cheese for my little brother. His name's Zane. Right. For my little brother, because he wants to have some. He's gonna love it. And now we just need to put the toppings on. That's a pepperoni. Gonna put it on my brother's first. Definitely, because it's a little somehow. Because you see that? You see this? Or mateys. Two more. I love baking food. That's what I love. Back in the oven. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, that's heavy.
I used to do that switch every week.
Ew, yum. So good.
Right?
Well, Get some more turkey. So good. So good. Okay, bye. See you next time.